What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shrek and we're back with another diesel diaries. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to replace the injector tube seals. So we have two of them that are leaking right here, as you can tell. It is that one right there is leaking on the bottom, and then this one right here is leaking. So we're going to go ahead and try to replace them. That's what they should look like, dry. Another one that's pretty dry. So that is no good. And let me show you guys. It's these right here. These are the seals that go on there. So a quick tip. These are the seals right here. Two of them for those two. Pretty easy. And the tools we'll be using is a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10 mil, a 19 socket. This is the one they use to remove the, I think, O2 sensors. And this one, it slips right over the tube, and just like that, slips right over the tube, and you're able to take it off. And then I use a 19 mil wrench to take off this fitting right here, and then I use it to loosen that out once it's already broken free. Straightforward. We crack this one loose. This one has to get cracked loose. That one gets cracked loose, and then I remove those two 10mm bolts. Let me go ahead and get started on that and show you guys right now. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to take them off. The putting back on is where you struggle a little bit more, but it's pretty straightforward for all of them. So a trick that one of my mechanic friends taught me is that they do have a top and bottom. So as you can tell, it says top right there. That's the top of it. So you bolt it back on, and I usually clean out the tube, clean it up, clean everything nice and good. Clean the area right there, make sure it's nice and dry. We're going to clean it up a little bit more, and then I will start putting it back together. Let me see if I could put you guys down. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, it's pretty easy, straightforward. Two 10s, the 19 for the injector tube, and then the 19 on the fuel rail side, fuel rail side. So that's pretty much it. Just replace those, remove all that, replace it, put it back on, tighten it up. Going to go ahead and do the other one, but I probably won't show you guys the process on that one because I already showed you the process on one of them. So let me get to it. This one's a little bit more challenging only because the harness, this is the injector harness, is right there. So, but it will be easy as 1, 2. There it is, guys. Nice and clean. Replace, like I said. Don't forget, that's the top of them. That is the top. As you can tell, this truck is newer to us, so as you can tell, they have it on the bottom. I was told that goes to the top, and so far it's been working for us. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Just a quick one, show you guys how easy it is to replace your injector tube seals, and it makes for a better, cleaner engine bay. It helps keep all your oil inside of your head. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for the support. If you're out on the road, be safe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. Peace.